Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is an announcement. Yes, I am posting a video right now. Good. But I was in the making of filming, editing one of my videos of me playing Roblox. But I didn't feel so good because I was doing a lot of work. I was gonna, put my my YouTube logo on the video, a sticker of me on there. But it takes a lot of work to do all that because I did it earlier, but all my progress got deleted because I still have to edit my film. Well, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be like no clips edited out, but I mean, like, I have to put some subtitles, like text in there, because whenever my brother came to my room in that video, there's gonna be something going on there because I was filming that video and my brother came in and he interrupted what I was saying. He thought I was talking to myself, so he probably thinks that right now just because I'm in a bathroom. So that's not good at all. But I'm starting to feel like a little better, like when I started filming, so I may be able to post it tonight. I'm trying. So yeah, I'm starting to think we should spy on my brother. Let's do it. Okay, first, puffy jacket. We got it. Okay, I love puffy jackets. Okay, guys, bye. Guys, the line in here is horrible. Okay, I need to be a little more quiet. Okay, anyway, guys, my brother's in my room. He's doing his tablet over there. He's watching his tablet over there. So we're gonna go in the closet. So let's do that. Okay. God. Okay, guys, we're about to be in the closet. Do you see me? Time to play. Let's play I'm loaded. Ram wishes that she could be like me. Oh my God. Holy bathroom. Oh, who cares about her? Oh my God, guys. This is just getting my outfit. The price is very expensive. Some things we can't afford. Value. Okay, guys, we're gonna do some challenges because you're not just gonna watch. So let me try to find the better line. Say, guys, you're not just gonna watch me do stuff like that, okay? You're probably gonna wanna watch me do some challenges. Okay, we're gonna do it. Let's go. Guys, I'm gonna do some challenges. Like, I'm gonna try to just think out and go back in. Okay. Hello? Not me, not me, not me. Why are you in my closet? Why are you in my closet? Doing it. Why your face looking like that? Why you looking like that? What you, bro? But bro, look at your teeth.
Yo, but why you in my
Your teeth would be
room?
looking like 2 squares.
Who it in? Okay, turn on.
Little.
Oh, let's go ahead.
I heard all the stuff you talked about me, so for revenge. For revenge for you talking crap about me. Wrong box. For revenge for you. Okay, that's my favorite thing. Okay, revenge for you. Talk stuff about me.
Okay.
You know, you're gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it, fool.
No,
Come on. I can pull the trigger. Look, the trigger's right here. You don't like my fingers on it.
I have 20.
Oh, I see how it is, fool. Let me check your ammo. Why would you let me check your ammo? See how it's an old-fashioned square down. An old-fashioned square down, huh? We're gonna do it this way or that way? Old-fashioned square down, huh?
Let's go that way.
You know what? I'm not gonna shoot you in your head, but I'm gonna shoot you right. Oh my god. You know what? We should do a Nerf battle. Okay, let me go get in my position. Okay, guys, I'm about to get in position. So, guys, we're about to, shoot up on you. Now, drive by, we're gonna do a walk by. Oh my, that's what we're gonna do. You ain't no forget. You got a gun. Oh, you ain't like that fool. You ain't gonna be playing with that fool.
Oh my god. Buddy, big bugs.
Come on, let me just reload.
You have to reload?
Yeah, hold up. No. I'm gonna die. Hold up. I'm just trying to, okay. Yo, I'm not playing with no funny business thing. Oh my god. Oh, you shouldn't brush me like that. Come on, get over here. You want? Look, guys, he's scared. He won't get over here. Get over here now. Man, you gonna make me go in the dark room with y'all. Okay, we're gonna go in the dark room. Guys. Oh my god. I'll blast you. I'll blast you. I keep saying I'll blast you, but I'm not doing it. Well. No. Okay, guys, he's coming back. He's not scared anymore. Okay, so that's happening. Time to reload. Yo, fool. Don't yell at you're aim. Wait, did you do a my bullet? I know you're right there behind the corner. Because if I turn for that corner, guys, it's gonna be right there. No!
I gave the ball.
Okay, guys. I don't want to be doing this. Okay, every time when I took a break, you know, like when it skips, me and my brother go get our bullets. So that happens. I don't want to do this. Like, y'all set me up. I set myself up. We got the gun. I see you pointing your gun at me. I'm not stupid. I really ain't. I'm not stupid, guys. I actually kind of want to show you guys what's going on there because that's our bathroom. You guys don't want to be seeing what's going on in there. Okay, let's try to go get you guys a point of what's going on. Okay, guys, there. Y'all ready to work? Let's go. I see that. I'm not stupid. Hold up, y'all need to. My guy, you camping in my room and I have bad lighting quality. Hold on, let me go my flashlight for y'all. There. I see you with that. Man, you going to pull the trigger. Oh my god, I don't want to do this. You had to be camping. You have anywhere. Yo, fool. I see that. Well, you just suck your aim. Oh, you have more? Come on, fool, get out. Get out. Get out, Damien, now. I will shoot you. I'll blast you.
Okay, hold on.
Come on, I'm jumping around. Let me, jump.
I didn't see you.
I'm jumping around. I'm jumping around. Oh, hey, that's me. Yeah. My bed's a mess, guys. So, by the way, my bed's a mess because I was trying to fix it. But I gave up all hope. And yeah, I see what you're trying to do with your pillow. My room basically looks like a pigsty. My carpet and all that stuff. My sweaters. You can't leave me, no. You know, let me just. Yo, I'm actually on top of my bed. I could fall. Better sit down. That hurt?
It's over.
Hey, fool, you gonna make me fall? Oh my God.